Good afternoon, student. Myself, Manimegalai, Department of BCA, Assistant Professor of ABS College of Arts and Science. We are going to discuss about Visual Basic. First, what is Visual Basic? First, what is Visual Basic? You can create simple application using the software of Visual Basic. It creates a graphics user interface. Create a simple application for banking system and payroll application and calculator application and payroll application. We can simple create a application. You can use the Visual Basic. Next, Visual Basic code components. Forms, control, command and object. These are the Visual Basic commands. Next, what is use of the Visual Basic? Visual Basic is a programming language that allows a programmer to create a software interface application. Next, you can use graphical environment. Next, to create a small utility of own use. Next one, we create a simple application for department and work group large enterprise. Next one, VB is a combination of different components that are the used form control. Next, history of Visual Basic. In starting Visual Basic is in started 1988 Microsoft. Next, VB1 in started 1991. Next version VB2 1992. Next version VB3 1993. Next version VB4 in 1996. Next version VB4 April 97. VB6 1998. In current Visual Basic application VB 6.0, we can use the Visual Basic. First, how to start the Visual Basic application? First, we can create the Microsoft Visual Basic application. You open the dialog box in starting standard exe, then you can open the open box. If you click the open box, the next window box is can open. The Visual Basic environment. First one, menu bar, toolbox, forms and project explorer and properties window and toolbars. These are the Visual Basic environment. First, menu bar, file menu, edit menu, format menu. You can change anything. You can use the menu bar. Next one, you can designing the application. For example, calculator application, you can design the form after the coding window. First, you design the part. We use help of the toolbox. If any application command button or toolbox or picture, you can anything we can use in click and drop in the form design. Form design is completed. In next one of project code. The coding window part is next one, project explorer or toolbar. Project explorer, if name you can change or color or background color, if anything you want. Click the properties window, you can change. Next, toolbar. How many the forms window or tool project, you can create forms, many forms. Either display the toolbar. Next, the initial of the Visual Basic screen. We can Visual Basic environment same as toolbar, menu bar, properties window, project explorer. Next one, main components of Visual Basic 6.0. First one, menu bar. Menu bar, a list of component of use of a VB environment. First, a list of command used to a control VB environment. For example, file menu, edit menu, format menu, debug menu, run menu. These are the menu bars. Next one, form window. A form window is central to develop a Visual Basic application. You can design your application, use the form window. You can design the toolbox and click and drop form design. Once form design completed, after coding part. Next one, toolbox. Toolbox, the selection of menu for the control used in your application. These are the toolbox: pointer, label, command, checkbox, list box, and data file list box, anything you want, text box or command button, and click and drop the designing. Next, toolbar. Toolbar is a collection of buttons that provide a shortcut or easy access to the different command on the menu bar. A shortcut key of the toolbar. Copy, save project. You can using a menu bar or a toolbar. A shortcut key of the save options or toolbox. Form layout. In shortcut key the toolbar. Next one, property window. A property window used to abolish initialize the property values to the object. If your name change or color change in background, anything you want the font design, you attract to the graphical user. First one, Visual Basic, create a graphical user interface. So if you want background color of name change or animation effect, we can anything you change using the from properties window. If one color option, draw style, if anything you want, you can using the properties window. Next, Project Explorer window, a tree structure of view of all files that insert in the application. Next, main function of in toolbox, pointer, box, picture, text box, frame, command button, and checkbox, option button, list box, combo box. These are the main function in toolbox. First one is pointer. Pointer is a provide a way of move and resize the control. Next one, picture box. If you want a picture, you click and drag. Next one, text box, used to a message or enter a text. Next one, frame. A frame is a server as a visual and a function container for the control. Next one, command button. If your name or command button or OK or cancel, these are the command button you can use. Next one, checkbox. You tick the mark, use the checkbox. Next one, option button. Option button is a control which is a part of option group, allows the user to select OK or cancel. Next one, list box. In list box, a true or false or menu items the hotel veg. Next one, H scroll bar or V scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar or vertical scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar, these control are use the selected value specified of your value. Next one, timer, execute the timer of the events. Next one, drive list and file list box. A drive list displays the value of disk drive. The next one, file list, display a set of file from the which user you can display once. Next, save line image. These are the graphical user interface. First one, shape. Shape means used to add a rectangle or square, circle. Next one, line, used to draw straight line from the. Next one, image, used to display the image icon or bitmap or but is a less picture box. Next one, data OLU or the label. These are the database connectivity. You can use the data or OLE or label. First one, data. First, data enables the use to connect an existing data, display information from it. Next, OLU. OLE means used to link or embedded object display or manipulate from the windows. Next one, label. Label means display a text that user you cannot modify or interact with the label. Next one is STI and MDI. STI means single document interface. MDI means multiple document interface. First, STI means single document interface. You can one application you use single STI. MDI means multiple document you can open. For example, one Word application you use, on otherwise backend application you can run the. So MDI means one application is open, multiple applications there. First, MDI, a multiple document interface, is the one time allows we to view multiple documents. Example, various Word document windows within the Word application window. Next, SDI. Yeah, SDI means a single document interface is the one where all window appear independently of one of the without your single parent window. How can you create the MDA application? These are the steps of MDA creative application. First one, start a new project and then choose next project MDA form and parent form. Next step, set the form caption MDA window. Next, choose the project and form SDI form. Next one, make the form as a child of a MDA form by setting MDA child property of the SDI form use. For example, SDI example, we can use a single document. SDI versus MDA. SDI means single document interface. Next, MDI means multiple document interface. SDI single application word application. Multiple document interface, a multiple Word document you can open. SDI and MDA. SDI means single document. Multiple document means multiple document you can open run at a time. Multiple document interface example. These are the structure of the MDA form. First, you can create the employee record management. Next, login. Login la menu option la employee details or calculate salary and department. Employee details la add employee detail or delete employee detail or update an employee detail. These are the employee details. Next one, calculate salary or gross pay or net pay. Next, dependent la DID, department or ID, department name, department or relation. These are the MDI. MDI is a multiple document interface. You can the multiple document you can open. Next one, menu bar, same as menu bar, file menu, edit menu, view menu, project menu, format menu, debug and window menu. First file menu to open and save a new project or existing project. Next one, edit menu for all editing the requirements, cut, copy, paste. We can use the edit menu. Next menu, view menu to view the various part of the project. Next one, project menu inserting or removing the form window. Next one, format menu, the form spacing or placing the format menu. Next menu, the debug menu is remove the error. Next, window menu means arranging appearance of the various window document. Next, help menu means most of not use the help menu. For the online help, the every program you needs the help menu. Next menu, procedure or image control. First procedure, a function procedure is a series of the basic statement enclosed the function statement. Next, image control. In the VB.NET, picture box or control the used displaying image on the form. Thank you.